So this one come out easily, but the other side one was give me very tough time. So I make a cut in the middle and I use a flat screwdriver, and also before that I use penetration oil, and but still take a longer time to come out. Sometimes it's very hard to remove, but anyway, I removed this side, and let me also show you this side of the rear caliper. It's not the piston doesn't go back with the pressure. You have to spin clockwise, and I have a special tool for this one. I'm gonna show you how. So this is the tool I'm gonna use. So, okay. You have to align the pins in the piston groove, and this side is stop. Then we're gonna open this one to get tight, so I can able to rotate clockwise. It is very hard to spin, and I'm gonna use so I use a little bit penetration oil, and I'm gonna try again. I'm hoping that this gets spin. Oh, okay, let's get loose. And if you see, this fan is going in while I'm rotating clockwise. In a Honda, almost all older models, even I believe in 2017, they have a same type of mechanism in a rear caliper. So now we have to lose this one to get the tool out. So I'm using a 22 millimeter to get my tool out. I have to lose this one. Okay. So this is my tool come out. My caliper is ready to install, and now I have to prepare the caliper bracket, remove the old pads, and clean with the hard brush. This one. See how much the old rust come out. And also you have to check the caliper bracket pins. This side is good, but this side, oh, okay. Also I'm gonna clean this one, so also I can show you how to clean. There's a rubber seal on top of that, so you can hold in the bottom of the rubber seal and pull the pin. Sometimes it gets sticky with the, because I'm a little bit careful, I don't want to break a seal. So let's using a pick and okay, this is a lot better. Okay, so I'm gonna use grease to lubricate the pen. Okay, so this side also using a pick to this is a little bit better, but still I'm gonna use more grease to have a more lubrication. Okay, so this is also get done, and now I'm gonna put the hardware. We're gonna use these pins. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna put the grease over here. You can use a grease at this time instead of putting a grease on the brake pads. It's a lot easier. It's up to you, wherever you are comfortable to do your work. So now it's time to put the rotor. So this is the rotor. The customer brought it. I'm using this one. I'm gonna put like here to clean the surface before I install. Okay. So now we have to align the screws. Okay, so should be, yeah, should be like this. So now I'm gonna put the screw, which is right here. So I'm gonna put right now only one screw. So I'm gonna check if I have any other new screw, so I can use this one. Otherwise I'm gonna leave it like this. It doesn't make any big difference if you put the screw or not. If you have it, it's good. Otherwise you don't need to worry. So let's see. So I found a new screw, so I'm gonna put it over here. Okay. So now we're gonna put the caliper bracket. So now we gonna put a brake caliper. Okay. Brake pads. A little bit hard to get in. There's a problem with the aftermarket pads. Sometimes you have to grind on each side. So let's see. I'm gonna try to push. Okay, that's good. So now the other side. The OEM or original Honda parts and pads are, a lot better than this one. It's fit properly, never give hard time to get installed. But these aftermarket parts are cheaper, no doubt, but is always give you tough time to install. Also the time also is the quality is also not good. So before time is get worn. Finally it's done. So also don't forget to put grease on this side of the caliper, and also apply on a piston, side of the piston. Okay. Okay. And also these pins, there's a hole on that of the pads, so you can insert over here. The purpose of this one, they pushing against the rotor wall, so not be connected all the time with the rotor. Okay. I'm getting freeze. Let's see. Okay. So this has done. The other side also I done, but let me show you also. See, so now only needs to put a wheel back, and I hope you also like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will be very grateful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.